I've already managed to get this firm, Cheshire Business Accountants, ranking #1 for certain search terms on Google, and we're only a week in. So I've just finished writing a new SEO writer that's going to write daily new blogs for you every morning at 8 a.m. and you can configure it to write 1 blog, 3 blogs. I've set mine to 3, and what it's going to do is I've added a big keyword list from Keyword Planner that I've well researched, and from other companies that are ranking on the first page of Google. I've looked at their sitemaps, extracted some blogs that want to replicate some of the titles and keywords, made a huge list in Supabase. It is looking at that list, going into Perplexity and prompting it. Perplexity is looking at the best results on Google, producing a blog. It's got citations in there, and then going to ChatGPT, it's analysing that blog, assigning tags to it, content topics, creating an image prompt for Nano Banana, and then finally creating the image in Nano Banana, and then mixing everything back together and updating Supabase with all the results. And then it's automatically just posted to my website, and Google's going to crawl it and index those pages and just consistently produce high quality blogs for you. And if you want to have a human in the loop feature, you can default these to unpublished and edit the blogs as you please, improve them, add your own little sprinkle of magic, or you can just set them default to published. If you want the exact n8n template, just comment SEO below and I'll send it you over.